Hi everyone, so I'm Rehan and I've been a professional speed cuber for the last 15 years, and the Rubik's Cube has genuinely shaped who I am. So the Rubik's Cube is one of the most high selling puzzles in the world, and for a reason. It boosts focus, improves memory, strengthens problem solving skills, and is actually just great for mental health. So for me and so many cubers I know, this is more than just a toy, and it's also a reminder that every problem can be solved. So that's why I built this VR experience after doing a lot of research and working closely with other speed cubers around me. So we try to create the most natural cubing experience we possibly could, and here's a demo. Okay, so this is going to be a demo of my app. So as you can see, the URL is rubikscubevr.com, and let's get to it. So first here you have a how it works. So this is basically a video that explains A to Z of how
Hi
my
everyone.
app
So
works.
today I'm going to be showing you how
Okay, apart from that, you have a start playing. So start playing, once you click on it, it says clap to spawn the cube. So I clapped and here the cube is. And now how a user can interact with the cube is just by using their fingers and, pushing whichever layer that they want to push. So as you can see, I can even move the middle layers or whatever I want to, right? And say I want to rotate the entire orientation of the cube. So I can touch my thumb and index like this and just swipe whichever way I want the cube to rotate. Okay, so now let me show you one of the coolest features that we have, which is it also listens to your voice. L2, up, U prime, right, L2, right prime. So this is if you ever get lazy to, go all the way and use the cube. You can just keep it at a distance, give it voice commands and, have fun. Okay, so if I want the cube to be scrambled, I can just make a fist on both my hands and just touch them. So as you can see, the cube is scrambling itself. Okay, next, let's say I want to move the cube further or closer. I can just grab using my fist and move it. So again, I can keep it at a distance if I'm, say, solving with my voice, or I can bring it close to me. Okay, and the same way you enter, you can exit. So a clap to exit. Okay, so now let's get to timed solve. So how timed solve works is we follow the same competition standards, and once you click on this, again, you clap, your cube is here, it is getting scrambled. So as you can see, it says that it's getting scrambled. So generally in a competition, after it starts scrambling, you have 15 seconds to inspect it. So as you can see here as well, it says inspection, you have 15 seconds, you can do whatever you want to at the time, and even if whenever you start, let's say you make your first turn, the timer starts. L2. So as you can see, everything works just as expected. Your voice, your finger interaction, etc. So now again, let's exit this and let's see what this is. Enter VR 2x2. So this is a pocket cube, and it's something that's better for non-cubers to start with. So yeah, it's a 2x2 simple pocket cube. So as you can see, the same interactions work. And yeah, this is just a fun toy to play with. Let's go back. Okay, so I hope you liked it so far. So the time solves also have a leaderboard. Right now it's just for the top 3, but I'm going to be extending that soon. And apart from that, let me get to this part back on my PC. Okay, so back to this. So what users can do is they can test my app here. So for example, they can go any side, test voice commands. Allow L2, down prime, down L2. Again, this is also relative to where they're facing in the cube. So this can be a fun toy for people to play around with if they do not own a VR device and they end up visiting my website. And yeah. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my video. I really hope you liked the project. Of course, there's a long way ahead. We're going to be introducing more puzzles apart from just the 2x2 and 3x3, something like the Pyraminx and Megaminx and many other puzzles. And apart from that, we also plan on having a multiplayer mode where people can, compete against each other. and also we're going to perfect how the turns of the cube happen. So thank you so much. Bye.